So already I discussed about NOR gate. So now I am going to discuss about the NAND gate. You already know NAND gate is act as on universal gate, because by using NAND gate we can construct the basic logic gates such as AND or NOT. That's why that gate is called as an universal logic gates. So this is the logical symbol for NAND gate. That is, if you take AND gate and you have to put the bubble shape, so it will be act as on NAND gate. So AND gate எடுத்துக்கோங்க, அதில் கண்டிப்பாக இந்த bubble shape வந்து நீங்கள் புட் பண்ணணும். So that is, அந்த bubble shape எதை indicate பண்ணுதுன்னா, this IC is act as on inverter. So that will be the function indicating by this bubble. So here IC 7400, this IC is act as on NAND gate. So the functioning of NAND gate is inversion of AND gate, that is Y is equal to A dot B bar. So this truth table indicates the functioning of NAND gate, that is, when both the input variables are high means we can obtain 0. Otherwise, if any one variable is high means we can obtain, that is, any one variable is low means we can obtain 1, because if you put two values as 0, that is 0.0 means the value is 0, so 0 bar becomes 1. Okay, 0 bar na 1 ahum, 1 bar na 0 ahum. So that is the function of NAND gate. Okay, now it's clear for you. So now I am going to explain about how the NAND gate is constructed in IC trainer board. Okay, that is, when you are giving the wire to the input pin, you have to just press this key and you have to straighten the wire, then only it is easy to pass. So now you have to release. Actually, for this construction I have taken help from our lab assistants, so thank you. So from NAND gate, you know, that is 1 and 2 pin act as on input variables, so that I have to take 1 and 2 pin, it is act as on input variables, and from third I have to connect to the output things. That is, now I am going to check the output functioning, that is, and also obviously in a regular manner the 7th pin and 14th pin is connected to the negative point and positive point of the battery, which is placed in the IC trainer kit. Okay, now I am switch on the trainer board. Okay, the first condition is when the two input is 0 means we can obtain that output is 1. Either any input is low means we can obtain the same higher state as per logical expression of NAND gate. If both are 0 means we can obtain 0, but abdi varla, we have to check. That is, when any one input is high means we can obtain output high voltage, that is, output voltage is high position. When 2 is low means we can obtain, when 2 input is high means it becomes 0. Okay, so actually before we are not getting the proper answer, it is due to the IC is not properly inserted. So if we touch something, we have to change the input pins, you have to get the correct and clear output. Okay, so don't confuse with that. So if 2 inputs are high means we can obtain low value in NAND gate. If any one is low means we can obtain high value. So when the 2 inputs are high means we can obtain the lowest output value. So that is the truth table of NAND gate, that is the functioning of NAND gate. So that's all, guys.